Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with another Hot Wheels. And this is a special one because this is a very clean 87 Audi Quattro, right? And look at this, guys, right? Look at this. How clean this car is. How clean it looks in the black. And the thing that we are going to see today as well, what if we have the same things on the card art and we have the same thing on the car itself? So that we will check, right? But let me tell you for how much I got this for 179 rupees only from Hamleys. And let me just zoom in so you can see the details very clearly. Hot Wheels badging over there. See the Audi logo over there. How the graphics they have made. See the spoke wheel of design of this wheels, right? The spokes, how cool they look. And this very mafia looking black and those chrome wheels over there. The front is very good. They are sticker only. You can see the Quattro mentioned over there. And there are some grille, left and drive mirrors are there. Four-seater car. On the back we don't have any of the details. Exhaust is there. Plastic base, not a problem. We can expect that in main lines. But I want to show you something else, right? This one. Let me clean it a little bit so we can show you. This one is also Audi Quattro. Let me show you the name. This is a 84 Audi Sport, okay, and this is a Sport Quattro. This one is 87 Audi Quattro. So if you see the difference, I'll just show you side by side, right? This is a sport variant. This I got around 22 starting something, right? See, this also doesn't have any detailing on the back, but the livery on the side is very good. I'm not sure whether you are able to see. Yeah, see, 84 Quattro written over there. Hot Wheels graphics logo over here. Castrol. The front detailing is same. You just don't get that number plate Quattro written over there and the side lights over there, right? On the top it's a little bit different. But I just love this Quattros, right? That's why I have two in my collection. This is unboxed and this I will keep in the box itself. I'm not going to open it. So yeah, these are the two of them. Very nice one. If I show you this also, right? There is some detailing on the base as it is from 2022 starting, right? This base is different. This one is plain. So that's it for the cars, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.